This little animal looks like someone crossed a guinea pig with a potato. One of its closest living relatives weighs several tons, and also has a trunk. This is a rock hyrax, and it's part of the same bizarre branch of mammal family tree as elephants. But somehow, that's not even close to the weirdest family connection evolution gave us. Because hippos have relatives swimming in the ocean, falcons are hanging out on the completely wrong branch of the bird family tree, and by the end of this, you're going to learn what a crocodile's closest relatives actually are. The thing is, nature doesn't care what an animal looks like, and that makes the tree of life very, very weird. Let's start with the rock hyrax. It's furry, it's about the size of a rabbit, and absolutely nothing about it screams elephant. But hyraxes, elephants, and sea cows all belong to an ancient African branch of mammals called Pinungulata. Their common ancestor lived tens of millions of years ago, giving evolution plenty of time to run one branch into this and another into this. Then there's the hippopotamus. For a long time, its pig-like body made the relationship seem obvious. Pig, hippo. This makes sense, right? Except DNA told us a completely different story. Hippo's closest living relatives are actually whales and dolphins. Their lineage split from a common ancestor roughly 55 million years ago, and one branch stayed semi-aquatic, and the other kept going until the walking became swimming and legs became flippers. And let's talk about how strange birds are. Look at a falcon and a hawk. Same hooked beak, same talons, same basic lifestyle. Surely they're close relatives. Nope. Falcons belong to a branch of birds that also contain parrots and songbirds. Hawks and eagles are on another branch entirely. Those similar predator bodies evolved separately because they were solving the same problem. However, it's these tropical talkers that are the real relatives of the world's fastest animal. Then we have the pangolin. It looks like evolution invented an artichoke with legs, scales, long tongue, no teeth. You might guess it's related to armadillos. Pangolins belong to a group called Ferae, and their closest living branch is Carnivora, the same group containing cats, dogs, bears, seals, and even otters. And finally, the crocodile. At first, pairing a crocodile with sparrow sounds ridiculous. I mean, one is an armored ambush predator stemming from your worst nightmare, the other might be stealing the crumbs from your patio. But birds and crocodiles are the only surviving branches of the archosaurs. That ancient family also included the dinosaurs, which means the closest living relatives of crocodiles are birds. But this is what makes evolution so incredible. Related animals don't have to look alike, and animals that look almost identical don't necessarily have to be closely related at all. Bodies change, habitats change, species split apart and spend millions of years becoming almost unrecognizable. But underneath all of it is a family tree connecting life in ways we'd never guess just by looking. The hyrax and the elephant, the hippo and the whale, the falcon and the parrot, the pangolin and the lion, the crocodile and the bird, different branches, same tree. And we're on that tree too. Not above it, not separate from it, just another branch of something much bigger. Follow and reconnect with the world that's alive.